Developing the digital economy should and will be a key driver of economic transformation in South Africa. Within this context, artificial intelligence and digitization offer untold benefits for almost every sector, helping enterprises, businesses, and our partners build relevant, game-changing offerings for their customers and society, reducing costs and revolutionizing their services. To start off the session, I would like to share with you a story of just how artificial intelligence and our Model Arts platform on the Huawei cloud are helping solve real-life challenges we face today. We call this doing good while doing good business. Enjoy the video.
When I first came to the rainforest in Central America, one creature above all stood out, the spider monkey. This monkey helps with seed dispersal, and their presence is essential to the overall health and biodiversity of the whole rainforest. We can better protect the spider monkeys if we listen closely and better understand nature's symphony. Upcycled Huawei phones act as the ears of the ecosystem. These phones call into the cloud every second of the day and night in the pouring rain, blistering sun, and dripping humidity. The way our technology is built actually involves these guardians, which are old smartphones in boxes up in trees, capturing all the audio of the forest, streaming it up into the cloud, and then in the cloud we analyze for different things. It's not just about detecting chainsaws anymore, vehicles and the rest. It's about understanding the fabric of nature, ecology of the forest, just through sound. The rainforest sounds are often too complex for humans to interpret, but technology can hear the many complex details of this symphony.
AI makes it possible. At the moment I'm collecting 200,000 hours of data, so without AI we can't physically analyse these large data sets.
The more we know about them, the easier it is to protect them, and the easier it is for us to show the world that they matter. And that is part of our mission as well.
Indeed, some say computing power should be readily available like electricity. At Huawei, we believe that the Huawei cloud, built in South Africa in 2018, can help to realize the vision for South Africa's digital economy as a foundation for inclusive growth and social upliftment. We envisage an artificial intelligence future where computing power is readily available, just like the air we breathe, unleashing the full transformative potential of algorithms. The application potential of cloud-enabled artificial intelligence to solve business problems is limited only by the human imagination. Thanks to Huawei's integration across the value chain, from our Ascend chips and advancements in server, storage, and networking, we are able to offer affordable artificial intelligence with the capability embedded at every stage. We call this from edge to data center, tensor processing units, or cloud TPUs, accelerate training of artificial intelligence models. Globally, we see an exponential growth in papers published since TPU was introduced, and as a result, a marked increase in top-class model inventions since TPU was introduced. A few examples are AlphaGo Zero and BERT, to mention a few. Huawei Cloud Artificial Intelligence allows organizations to boost efficiency on repetitive, high-volume work, transfer specialist expertise quickly and seamlessly, and go beyond human intelligence, collaborating across multiple domains. Huawei Cloud Artificial Intelligence has applications in transportation, logistics, resource management, online education, and retail, to name but a few. This technology or capability can materially transform mobility, urban planning, farming, mining, and several other industries. We continue to lower the threshold for entering the artificial intelligence arena, allowing industry experts to access the productivity benefits of artificial intelligence without any of the technology complexity. Simply put, artificial intelligence is no longer just an IT capability, it's an operational requirement. Thanks to Huawei's significant investments in building local data centers in South Africa, these cloud capabilities can support any industry expansion into the artificial intelligence space, leveraging a single cloud provider like Huawei. Hyperscale computing with multiple vendors is no longer a business necessity. Tech is now a commodity, and business focus has shifted from CapEx to OpEx, as the move to the cloud alleviates complexity. Businesses can now use artificial intelligence to target their precise enterprise intelligence needs without any long-term capital requirement. It's about consuming the service without any of the equipment outlay. For example, the artificial intelligence capabilities embedded in our cameras allow facial recognition and other artificial intelligence functionality at source, processing and interpreting data and alleviating data load through the cloud for faster result rates and business effectiveness. So, what are the secrets to a successful artificial intelligence implementation? At Huawei, we have found that building inclusive artificial intelligence starts when one provides clear business scenarios, have readily available computing power like the Huawei Cloud, and leveraging our enablement programs that provide free cloud credits. Leveraging continuously evolving artificial intelligence services, building organization and talent capability in a sustainable and inclusive manner. So, what is the model for AI implementation? Select an AI platform, align with an ecosystem of independent software vendors and system integrators. The full value chain from edge to data center needs to be given thought. That includes devices, systems, and processes. Lastly, and probably the most important part, is to select a business scenario or use case that is selected and driven from and by business. First, we look at what a clear business scenario encompasses. The 4 components of clear business scenarios are: set clear project and program objectives, ensure access to sufficient data sets, set clear boundaries, and have a closed loop for predictable system outcomes. Next, we look at what readily available computing power means in the context of South Africa, Africa, and the world. With the launch of the Huawei Cloud in South Africa, the mass adoption of artificial intelligence across sectors is likely to be the transformative moment that allows business to achieve its full potential as a social driver, enabling seamless delivery of services for maximum impact. We continue to focus in the following 4 market segments: enterprise, who seek to transform its business models; government, looking to deliver modern citizen services; universities, who push the boundaries of technology; and scientific research institutions, opening new frontiers. In line with this, at Huawei, we also believe in eating our own dog food, and as such, by leveraging artificial intelligence technologies and capabilities, we continue to add more than 4,000 jobs created daily across the globe by using artificial intelligence. Thirdly, we look at continuously evolving artificial intelligence services. In the old world of traditional IT, we followed the waterfall development model, and this typically meant that business would present IT with a problem, and the next time they would see us is when we present our interpretation of the problem. This typically followed the following model: research and development, test our new capability, Then we would release a version or versions. And finally, take the capability to production. In the era of artificial intelligence, we've been challenged to provide more business value and achieve quantifiable results. To achieve this, the industry has accepted that we need to continuously evolve artificial intelligence services that cater to the diversified artificial intelligence scenarios. This is demonstrated by the continuous iteration of releases that follow these two traits: always-on services and embedded or native artificial intelligence-enabled services. Indeed, following this full cycle has become the new normal. We see a new business era emerging, where artificial intelligence is pervasive, where intelligent twins guide enterprise planning, intelligent recognition and prediction engines support applications, and decision-making optimization engines ensure we make the right calls. So, what is Model Arts and how will this help in our artificial intelligence journey? Model Arts is a one-stop development platform for artificial intelligence developers. This low-code or no-code artificial intelligence development platform helps with data pre-processing, semi-automated data labeling, distributed training, automated model building, and model deployment on the device, edge, and cloud. Model Arts helps artificial intelligence developers build models quickly and manage the life cycle of artificial intelligence development. Simply, this is a part of our journey to democratize artificial intelligence in the industry and accelerate artificial intelligence improvement. The 4 areas of focus are model self-optimization. This means leveraging our patented multidimensional search engine, enabling us to achieve 96% accuracy. Automated data augmentation. We notice when leveraging automated data expansion and semi-supervised active learning, we see an 80% drop in manpower. Online closure, meaning active model-based diagnosis is underpinned by our autopilot model that updates every day. And lastly, device edge cloud synergy, showing that the complete ecosystem leverages capabilities in 5G, IoT, and edge intelligence. Finally, let's talk about the people and change management piece. We call this organization and talent. This starts with us lowering the barriers to artificial intelligence use. We achieve this by taking an industry-oriented focus and making our platform easy to use. Expert in the loop means that we use transparent artificial intelligence rules to assist expert decision-making. And changing the organization and process by focusing on reviewing organizational structures and process with well-matched talent. I must admit, we see an acceleration in the change management process when our solution architects work directly with customers, partnering with and leveraging our online training assets and advising and guiding our customers on selection of use cases, followed by proof of concepts and proof of value in solving real business problems. Our partnership model means that we stay with our customers until we know what success looks like, and we achieve it. In closing, the 4 steps to achieve a successful and inclusive artificial intelligence implementation are clear business scenarios, readily available computing power, like the Huawei cloud, and leveraging our enablement programs that provide free cloud credits, leveraging continuously evolving artificial intelligence services, and building organization and talent capability in a sustainable and inclusive manner. To help you on your inclusive artificial intelligence journey, Huawei has recently launched an ecosystem innovation center for our customers and partners in Johannesburg. This regional catalyst for cloud and computing industry incubation center is available now. Please contact Huawei for access to the facility to accelerate your artificial intelligence journey. Artificial intelligence on Huawei Cloud offers great opportunities for and to businesses. With affordable, accessible freemium offerings and training integrated into our capabilities, the barriers to entry are crumbling, empowering SMEs to compete in established industries. For the public sector, the delivery of services can be revolutionized through the power of data. Artificial intelligence is also now a low-risk technology. Potential customers can access our cloud assets to learn, experiment, build use cases, and assess their needs with full Huawei engineering support. We thank you for spending your time with us today, and we look forward to engaging with you in the future.
As our smart society materializes, cloud is becoming an inevitable choice for the digital transformation of enterprises. In the next decade, the era of Cloud 2.0, enterprises will be taking the leading role in cloudification. As a world-leading ICT solution provider, Huawei possesses superiority in AI and cloud computing. The many years of experience and expertise have culminated in Huawei Cloud, a leading-edge, future-oriented, trustworthy platform. Today, industries are embracing and practicing AI. AI resources, especially computing power, are both scarce and expensive. Huawei's full-stack and all-scenario AI portfolio offers a faster and inclusive AI development platform. The leading performance chipset, the Atlas development kits, and the inclusive AI platform Model Arts are boosting the industrial adoption of AI. Huawei Cloud's Model Arts provides the latest AI technologies to data scientists, data engineers, IT engineers, and all kinds of business applications. Offers ultra-fast and ultra-simple experience for enterprises' AI development. Developers with zero coding and zero AI experience could utilize it to help foster a fully connected, intelligent world. When Cloud plus AI meets industries, Huawei Cloud creates Huawei Cloud EI Intelligent Twins. Huawei's latest AI technologies and industrial know-how are making changes in industry upgrading. On data security protection, Huawei Cloud offers systematic security solutions with chip-level assurance, which has been issued 40+ security certificates and licenses globally. Huawei strives to build an open, cooperative, and mutually symbiotic cloud ecosystem, providing a healthy basis for the future intelligent ICT ecosphere and driving continuous industrial and social improvement. Building a fully connected, intelligent world.